Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best budget 65 keyboard you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. There are numerous options available on the market today for finding the ideal keyboard. However, for those on a tight budget, finding a high-quality keyboard that isn't too expensive can be difficult. This is especially true if you're looking for a 65% keyboard with a compact and minimalist design that doesn't sacrifice functionality. In this video, we will look at the best budget 65% keyboards on the market in 2023, taking into account factors like build quality, key switches, and overall performance. Whether you're a gamer, a writer, or a programmer, our top picks for affordable 65% keyboards have you covered. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Magicforce by Qisan. The Magicforce 68 is a low-cost gaming keyboard with a distinct design that sets it apart from others in its class. The keyboard's compact layout saves desk space while retaining important keys such as the arrow cluster. The keyboard has a variety of switch options, including cherry, Keychron, and out-emu switches in a variety of colors, to accommodate a variety of gaming styles. The Magicforce 68's keys are made of cheap ABS keycaps, and the stabilizers aren't great, resulting in some key rattle and wobble, which is understandable given the keyboard's low price. Despite its low price, the Magicforce 68 has a good build quality and comes with a detachable mini USB cable, a standard bottom row, and rubberized feet. The keyboard is white and silver in color, giving it a subtle appearance and a smaller footprint. The Magicforce 68 is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a low-cost compact keyboard with a great layout. Pros of Magicforce by Qisan. Great compact 68-key design. Multiple switch options. White backlighting. Cons of Magicforce by Qisan. Cheap and thin ABS keycaps. Ugly keycap font. No customization software. On number 2. HyperX Alloy Origins 65. The HyperX Alloy Origins 65 is a keyboard that is 65% aluminum with a matte black finish. The translucent lettering on its double-shot PBT keycaps allows the RGB lighting to shine through. The keyboard is about 40 keys shorter than a standard full-size keyboard layout, so secondary functions have been relocated to the keycap sides as additional functions. For users interested in ergonomics, the underside has 4 rubber grips, 1 at each corner, and 3 adjustable keyboard angles. The HyperX is small, measuring 1.4 by 12.4 by 4.15 inches, but the extra 5% allows for a row of extra functions on the right side, as well as comfortably spaced arrow keys. The review unit has HyperX red linear switches, the same as the HyperX Alloy Origins 60, but users can configure the board with HyperX's tactile option, Aqua switches. The switches have the same 45G operating force as a cherry red switch, but with a slightly shorter actuation point and travel distance, 1.8 mm and 3.8 mm respectively. The actuation point is the point in the down press where the switch registers an input, whereas the travel distance is the maximum distance a button can be depressed. At $99, it's an affordable option for gamers. Pros of HyperX Alloy Origins 65. Excellent feeling HyperX key switches. RGB lighting. Compact footprint. Cons of HyperX Alloy Origins 65. No wireless option. On number 1, Keychron K6 68 key. The Keychron K6 is a wireless keyboard that offers multi-device connectivity, hot swappable switches, and a long battery life at an affordable price. With the option of selecting between the red, blue, or brown Keychron or LK optical switches, it is also suitable for someone looking to try out different switches. The keyboard has a high-profile ABS case that is 4 cm tall, which may necessitate the use of a wrist rest or raised hands for comfortable use. The keycaps are made of ABS plastic and are thin, with a slick texture and laser-etched legends. It also has a USB Type-C port and a battery indicator LED. Despite the lack of remapping software, The K6 is an excellent keyboard for people who want to use a single keyboard with multiple devices and want a functional, hot-swappable keyboard. Pros of Keychron K6 68 key. Attractive and clean design. Multi-device connectivity. Long battery life. Cons of Keychron K6 68 key. Really tall case and typing height. Slippery cheap ABS caps. Switch puller is anemic. So guys, this was the video about the best budget 65 keyboard. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.